G'day everybody, welcome to Workshop Wednesday. This week I've got a little commission. So the Banksia nut bowl that I made a couple of weeks ago, that's sold, but somebody wants one similar. So they didn't want Banksia, they wanted a lightwood. So piece of celery top pine, and we will make a little nut bowl out of that. So come along for the ride, hope you enjoy it, and we will get on with it. So I'll start as usual. I'll start with my half-inch spindle gouge. It's only going to be a pretty basic quick turn. Probably we'll just run it real time and maybe cut the sanding out. Who knows? It depends whether I'm feeling nice or not. So now I'm just going to mark a tenon. It gives me the option, it's the right size for a set of jaws. It'll give me the option to leave it on or take it off. I don't mind that shape, so that's come across pretty well. It feels pretty smooth, so probably up for sanding. So should be able to start at 180 here. I'll go through to 320 probably. So what I'm just having a look at is across through here there's a little, not quite sure how to do, but if you follow the grain there's a little dip like that in the grain, and the same on this side. So that little line through there is a little bit harder, and it's just a little change in the tree. I'm hoping it'll come up and look quite nice with the finish on. Just in case the observant amongst you noticed, I'm using colour-coded sandpaper, and the last one was blue, which is in the colour-coded it's 240. It's actually not, because I still have some rolls of Sia, which is blue, on the 320. So don't be fooled. So I'm going to 320. Bit of beeswax and tongue and we'll finish. So I'll start this off drilling a little depth hole, then 1/2 inch bowl gouge to hollow out the middle. There we go, everybody. Nice little nut bowl. Celery Top Pine. Looks near enough to 100 mil. 99. Near enough to 100. What's a millimetre between friends? So that's come up very nicely. Lovely little curve through the bottom. Be able to scrape all the nuts out very nicely. Finished with beeswax and tongue oil, so feed safe. Nice little gloss on there. Very happy with that. Hope the customer will be happy with it too. And thank you all for coming along and having a look. Workshop Wednesday this week. I've got another commission, which is a walnut bowl, which will probably go up next week. I didn't quite have time. I wasn't sure I had time to get it finished in time for this week's video. And then at the end of next week is Turn SA over here at Kingston. So I've got a few people coming over. Reese from Turned in Oz will be here. Apparently one of the guys has got a bit of a challenge for Reese and I to undertake, either at Turn in Oz, either at Turn SA or later at our leisure. So you can look forward to that one. Another Sid versus Reese type collaboration. And thank you all for coming along. Please like, share, subscribe, do all those nice things. And I will see you next week.